Have you ever bought a sofa that barely fits through the door? Maybe you found yourself twisting and turning it, only to realize it's just not going to make it through, no matter how hard you try. Or picked a dining table that takes over your whole living room, leaving barely any space to walk around or relax. Furniture shopping can be exciting, even a little intoxicating, but it's also one of the biggest spending traps for your home. The thrill of imagining your new space can sometimes cloud your judgment. Many people rush into buying something they love in the shop, only to find it doesn't work in their space. That initial excitement quickly turns into disappointment. Mistakes like these can cost hundreds or even thousands of pounds, and loads of stress. Not only do you lose money, but you also lose peace of mind. When you walk into a beautiful showroom, it's easy to get carried away. Everything is perfectly arranged, and it's designed to make you want to buy. Everything looks perfect under the bright lights, but that doesn't mean it will fit or suit your real life at home. Showrooms are often much bigger than our actual living spaces, and the lighting can make furniture seem smaller or more appealing than it really is. Most of us don't plan ahead, guessing measurements, and ending up with sofas that block doors or beds that leave no room for a bedside table. It's easy to underestimate just how much space furniture will take up once it's in your home. These mistakes aren't just bad for your wallet. They can make your daily life harder and your rooms feel smaller. Living in a cramped, cluttered space can affect your mood and productivity. Returning oversized furniture can mean expensive fees, or being stuck with it for good. Sometimes the hassle and cost of returns make people keep furniture they don't even like. But with a little planning, you can dodge these costly errors. Taking the time to measure and plan can save you from a lot of regret. This essay will show you simple steps to save money, stress, and time. You'll learn how to avoid common pitfalls and make choices that truly work for your home. Before you swipe your card, let's learn how to shop smarter for furniture that truly fits your space and your life. With the right approach, you can create a home that's both beautiful and functional, without breaking the bank. The single most important step before buying any furniture is space planning. It's the foundation of a well-designed home, and it can save you from making costly mistakes down the road. Think of your room like a puzzle. Each piece needs to fit together just right. If one piece is too big or too small, the whole picture feels off. Space planning helps you make sure every item has its place. Space planning lets you see the whole picture before you spend a penny. You can visualize how your furniture will look and function, and avoid buying things that just won't work in your space. You'll know exactly how much space you have for a sofa or bed, and where other pieces should go. This means you can shop with confidence, knowing you're making smart choices for your home. There's nothing worse than buying a great-looking armchair, only to realize there's nowhere to put it. Or worse, it blocks a doorway or makes the room feel cramped and uncomfortable. Proper planning helps you use every inch of your room, making it feel bigger and more welcoming. Even small spaces can feel open and inviting when every piece is thoughtfully placed. All you need is a tape measure and a way to draw your room to scale. You can use graph paper, a simple sketch, or even a digital tool, whatever works best for you. When you see your plan on paper or screen, you can play around with different layouts. Try moving things around, swapping pieces, or testing out new ideas before you commit. By planning ahead, you avoid the stress of returns, extra delivery charges, and cluttered rooms. You'll save time, money, and a lot of frustration by getting it right the first time. It's a small task that pays off in a big way, saving you money and giving you a home that feels just right. With a little effort up front, you'll create a space that's comfortable, functional, and truly yours. To get started, the first thing you'll need is a reliable tape measure. This simple tool is essential for capturing accurate dimensions and will be your best friend throughout the process. You'll also want some graph paper or a sturdy notebook. Having a dedicated place to jot down your measurements and ideas keeps everything organized and easy to reference. Begin by carefully measuring the length and width of your room. Write down each number as you go, double-checking for accuracy. These measurements form the foundation of your plan. Be sure to include details like windows, doors, and radiators, anything that takes up space or could affect where you place furniture. These features are easy to overlook, but make a big difference in your layout. Next, sketch the outline of your room on the graph paper. Assign a scale, such as 1 square equaling 10 centimeters or a few inches, to keep your drawing proportional and easy to interpret. Now, measure your existing furniture, especially any pieces you plan to keep. Note their dimensions and shapes, as this will help you visualize how they'll fit in your new layout. Draw these furniture pieces as simple rectangles or shapes on your room sketch, labeling each one so you know what it represents. If you want to experiment with different layouts, cut out paper shapes to scale that represent your furniture. This hands-on approach lets you easily move pieces around and try out new ideas. Move these paper pieces around your plan to see how different arrangements look and feel without any heavy lifting. If drawing by hand isn't your style, there are plenty of basic online tools and apps that can help you create a digital floor plan quickly and accurately. Another practical trick is to use masking tape on your floor to outline where new furniture might go. This gives you a real sense of scale and helps you visualize the space in 3 dimensions. The main goal is to see, at a glance, how much space you have left once the big items are in place. This helps you avoid overcrowding and ensures your room will feel comfortable and functional. Taking the time to draw your room and plan your layout gives you control over the process. It helps you avoid costly mistakes, like buying pieces that are too large or too small for your space. It might take a little extra effort, but the peace of mind and confidence you gain from a well-thought-out plan is absolutely worth it. You'll be able to enjoy your space knowing everything fits just right. If pen and paper aren't your thing, there are loads of free apps that make space planning easy. Apps like Room Styler, Planner 5D, or the IKEA Place app let you build your room on your phone or computer. You can enter your room's exact size, add doors and windows, and drag in furniture pieces to see how everything fits. Some apps even use your phone's camera to show how a piece of furniture would look in your actual room, using augmented reality. Many apps have furniture from real stores built in, so you can see if that new sofa will really fit. Save different layouts and compare them, so you feel confident before making any big purchase. Using these digital tools takes the guesswork out of shopping and saves you from costly mistakes. Before you buy, it's smart to do a scale audit. Sometimes a sofa might technically fit, but it can still overwhelm the room or block the flow. Use cardboard boxes or cutouts to make a mock-up of your new furniture, or painter's tape to outline the footprint on your floor. Walk around it. Does it leave enough room to move? Will doors and drawers open fully? Borrowing a similar-sized item from another room also works. Live with it for a few days. This helps you spot problems you might not notice on paper, like a chair blocking the view or a table making a walkway too tight. Doing a scale audit helps you avoid buying furniture that looks wrong or feels cramped in your home. Not all furniture is made equal, especially when it comes to materials. If you want your sofa or bed to last, look for solid wood frames instead of particle board or plastic. For sofas, kiln-dried hardwood is the gold standard for durability. For seats, coil springs last longer and feel better than rubber webbing. If you're buying leather, check if it's genuine or bonded. Bonded leather is cheaper but cracks and peels quickly. Genuine leather costs more but can last decades with care. For families with kids or pets, performance fabrics are a lifesaver. Look for stain-resistant options like microfiber, krypton, or washable slipcovers. Don't be shy. Ask to see fabric samples or test how easy they are to clean. Choosing tough, easy-care materials might cost a bit more upfront, but it saves you money in the long run. Your furniture will look better for longer, even in a busy home. Invest in quality where it counts. After all your planning, don't forget the delivery path. Many people buy the perfect sofa or wardrobe, only to find it won't fit through the front door or up the stairs. Measure every doorway, hallway, staircase, and lift from the street to the final room. Write down the narrowest point. Your new furniture needs to fit through there. If you live in a flat or have sharp corners, double-check the angles and ceiling height. Most stores have guides that tell you the minimum space needed for delivery, and some offer a measuring service. Taking these extra steps can save you from a nightmare on delivery day. When it comes to furniture, not everything needs to cost a fortune. Spend more on the pieces you use every day, like your sofa and bed. Cheap versions can break or become uncomfortable quickly, costing more in the long run. For things like dining tables, side tables, or shelves, you can save money. These pieces don't face as much wear and tear. Look for simple styles that work with your main furniture, and don't be afraid to buy second-hand or upcycle. Decor and accessories, like rugs, cushions, or lamps, are where you can really budget and swap them out as your style changes. If you have to choose, always put comfort and durability first for sofa and bed. A quality mattress or sturdy couch can totally change how your home feels. Save on the rest where you can. No one will notice if your end table is a thrift find. This investment hierarchy helps you focus your budget where it matters. Furniture shopping doesn't have to be stressful or expensive. By planning your space, checking measurements, and choosing the right materials, you can create a home that looks great and feels even better. A little effort before you buy means saving money, time, and frustration later. Start with a scale drawing or use a free app to map out your room. Make a mock-up with cardboard or tape to see how pieces fit in real life. Choose tough, easy-care materials, especially if you have kids or pets. Splurge on the pieces that matter most and save on the rest. With these tips, you'll avoid the biggest furniture traps and turn your house into the home you've always wanted. Happy decorating!